Friends, hello everyone. Welcome to this channel. In this video, I will tell you how you can very easily change the language in the application TikTok. Please subscribe to our channel. Also write your comments and be sure to put your likes. And let's get started. Open the TikTok app on your phone and then go to your profile in the bottom right corner. Then in the upper right corner, click on the three bars. And then Settings and Privacy. Here, scroll down a bit and select the language section. Next is Application Language. Already here you can choose the language that suits you. And most importantly, don't forget to click Save in order to save your changes. Thus, as you can see, the instant language of the application changes. Friends, this is the very simple way you can easily and quickly change the language in the TikTok app. I hope this video was useful for you and also helped you. Please give your likes, comments, and see you soon.